Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some investment valuation trivia. What method uses projected cash flows? Is it A, discounted cash flow, B, break-even analysis, C, net present value, or D, financial ratios? The correct answer is A, discounted cash flow. Which model assesses stock prices based on dividends? Is it A, capital asset pricing model, B, Gordon growth model, C, discounted cash flow, or D, price earnings ratio? The correct answer is B, Gordon growth model. What is the term for the decrease in asset value? Is it A, depreciation, B, amortization, C, inflation, or D, appreciation? The correct answer is A, depreciation. What is a measure of volatility in finance? Is it A, alpha, B, gamma, C, sigma, or D, beta? The correct answer is D, beta. Which valuation technique uses comparable companies? Is it A, precedent transactions, B, asset-based valuation, C, comparable company analysis, or D, discounted cash flow? The correct answer is C, comparable company analysis. What is the financial metric representing ownership profit? Is it A, gross revenue, B, earnings per share, C, profit margin, or D, return on investment? The correct answer is B, earnings per share. Which valuation method estimates liquidation value? Is it A, discounted cash flow, B, earnings multiples, C, market comparables, or D, asset-based valuation? The correct answer is D, asset-based valuation. What is the term for future cash flows adjusted for risks? Is it A, future value, B, expected value, C, cash flow analysis, or D, net present value? The correct answer is D, net present value. Which financial statement reflects company performance? Is it A, income statement, B, cash flow statement, C, trial balance, or D, balance sheet? The correct answer is A, income statement. What term describes an investor's required rate of return? Is it A, opportunity cost, B, profit margin, C, hurdle rate, or D, capital gain? The correct answer is C, hurdle rate. What valuation model considers future earnings growth? Is it A, discounted cash flow, B, constant growth model, C, earnings-based model, or D, two-stage DCF? The correct answer is D, two-stage DCF. What metric indicates how profitable a business is? Is it A, gross revenue, B, return on equity, C, current ratio, or D, net profit margin? The correct answer is B, return on equity. Which valuation approach values assets at their market price? Is it A, book value, B, cost approach, C, liquidation value, or D, fair market value? The correct answer is D, fair market value. Which investment strategy involves buying undervalued stocks? Is it A, day trading, B, short selling, C, growth investing, or D, value investing? The correct answer is D, value investing. Which valuation technique uses earnings before interest? Is it A, net asset value, B, price to earnings ratio, C, discounted cash flow, or D, beta valuation? The correct answer is D, EBITDA valuation. What analysis involves estimating future profits? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, cost-benefit analysis, C, historical review, or D, pro forma analysis? The correct answer is D, pro forma analysis. Which metric compares an investment's gain or loss? Is it A, dividend yield, B, net asset value, C, return on investment, or D, capital gains tax? The correct answer is C, return on investment. What valuation method incorporates economy-wide factors? Is it A, macroeconomic factors, B, discounted cash flow, C, industry analysis, or D, historical performance? The correct answer is A, macroeconomic factors. What is the term for measuring, comparing, and analyzing? Is it A, benchmarking, B, targeting, C, evaluation, or D, assessment? The correct answer is A, benchmarking. What financial statement summarizes company assets? Is it A, balance sheet, B, cash flow statement, C, statement of equity, or D, income statement? The correct answer is A, balance sheet. What valuation approach calculates expected profits? Is it A, earnings valuation, B, asset valuation, C, discounted cash flow, or D, market valuation? The correct answer is A, earnings valuation. Which ratio measures overall market value of equities? Is it A, market to book ratio, B, price to earnings ratio, C, capital asset pricing model, or D, dividend yield? The correct answer is A, market to book ratio. What method is used to establish a project's worth? Is it A, return on investment, B, SWOT analysis, C, cost-benefit analysis, or D, project charter? The correct answer is C, cost-benefit analysis. What indicates an investment's level of risk? Is it A, standard deviation, B, beta, C, volatility, or D, alpha? The correct answer is A, standard deviation. What analysis predicts cash flow distributions? Is it A, sensitivity analysis, B, SWOT analysis, C, linear regression, or D, Monte Carlo simulation? The correct answer is D, Monte Carlo simulation. What term describes strategic financial planning? Is it A, corporate finance, B, investment banking, C, personal finance, or D, budgeting techniques? The correct answer is A, corporate finance. Which investment strategy focuses on consistent dividends? Is it A, speculative trading, B, value investing, C, income investing, or D, growth investing? The correct answer is C, income investing. What characteristic defines preferred shares? Is it A, voting rights, B, maturity date, C, fixed dividend, or D, variable interest? The correct answer is C, fixed dividend. What ratio compares company earnings versus market price? Is it A, market to assets ratio, B, price to earnings ratio, C, profit to revenue ratio, or D, earnings to value ratio? The correct answer is B, price to earnings ratio. Which term indicates a company's overall worth? Is it A, market capitalization, B, enterprise value, C, book value, or D, total assets? The correct answer is B, enterprise value. What describes steps for effective stock valuation? Is it A, valuation methodology, B, market fluctuation, C, economic forecast, or D, investment strategy? The correct answer is A, valuation methodology. What is the process of selling owned assets called? Is it A, auction, B, bankruptcy, C, foreclosure, or D, liquidation? The correct answer is D, liquidation. What financial tool predicts company performance? Is it A, budgeting, B, forecasting, C, inventory management, or D, historical data? The correct answer is B, forecasting. What is the technique for evaluating real estate value? Is it A, market analysis, B, real estate appraisal, C, property inspection, or D, investment assessment? The correct answer is B, real estate appraisal. Which valuation process analyzes macroeconomic factors? Is it A, bottom-up approach, B, asset valuation, C, cash flow analysis, or D, top-down analysis? The correct answer is D, top-down analysis. What tool provides users with latest industry forecasts? Is it A, data entry, B, survey forms, C, financial planning, or D, market research? The correct answer is D, market research. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.